Tiny kangaroo down the sport, tiny kangaroo down. Hi, I'm Lisa, the ukulele fool, foolishly believing that the ukulele makes the world smaller. I have friends in Australia and I've learned this song from them, and it's just a great song. Lots of Australian animals, good for children and adults. It has some chord issues, and I'll show you what I do for the strumming and some options. Let's do it. You only need 3 chords for this song. A G, I play it this way. Index, middle, ring. There is another way to play it. I'll show you. Index, middle, ring. You get to decide which way feels more comfortable. From the G, we go to a C. That's an easy chord transition. From the C, we have to go to a D. I put this in the key of G so that you could practice this D. So C goes to D, and then it goes back to G. If you do play the G that alternate way, then you can just pivot from your D, you just pivot like that. There are many different ways that you can strum this in the play along. I am simply going to do 2 down strums for each chord. Like that. Why? Because if you're working on your D, I don't want to encumber you with lots of heavy-duty strumming, but you could do all kinds of strumming. You could do the island strum. Tiny kangaroo down, sport, tiny kangaroo down. You could do the cowboy strum. Tiny kangaroo down, sport, tiny kangaroo down. You could just do what I did, and I switched from cowboy to island strum. So don't feel free that once you have chords down, that let your creativity flow and do all kinds of strumming patterns on this. It's fun. If you don't feel like tackling this challenge of working on your D chord, I'm going to link 2 really good play-alongs, tutorials down below so you can do it in other keys. And if you want to avoid that D, not a problem. I'm not offended. I'm just trying to help you on your ukulele journey, and if D's where you need help, that's what I'm here for. Thanks to my friend Jock in South Australia, I have this great visor. Protection from the sun, very important. Here we go. Let's play a G chord. There's an old Australian stockman lying, dying, and he gets himself up onto one elbow and he turns to his mates who are gathered round him and he says, 1, 2, 3, 4. Watch me wallabies feed, mate. Watch me wallabies feed. They're a dangerous breed, mate, so watch me wallabies feed. Tie me kangaroo down, sport. Tie me kangaroo down. Tie me kangaroo down, sport. Tie me kangaroo down. Keep me cockatoo cool. Curl, keep me cockatoo cool. Don't go acting a fool. Curl, just keep me cockatoo cool. Take me koala back, Jack. Take me koala back. He lives somewhere on the track, Mac, so take me koala back. Let me mongoose go loose. Let me mongoose go loose. They're no further use, loose, so let me mongoose go loose. Mind me platypus duck, Bill. Mind me platypus duck. Don't let him go running amok, Bill. Mind me platypus duck. Tiny kangaroo down, sport. Tiny kangaroo kangaroo down, tiny kangaroo down, sport, tiny kangaroo down. Play your didgeridoo, play your didgeridoo. Keep playing till I shoot through, play your didgeridoo. Tan me hide when I'm dead, Fred, tan me hide when I'm dead. We tanned his hide when he died, Clyde, that it's hanging in the shed. Tiny kangaroo down, sport, tiny kangaroo down, tiny kangaroo down, sport, tiny kangaroo down. I hope you had fun playing this with me. Sun protection's always good, remember that. Play this for friends and family. Play it in your youth group. Play your didgeridoo.